camera. Get put it on.
Yeah, give us a funny yellow say, because camera perfect again, then we keep set again, left the page.
Well done, guys. Well done. Well done.
So here, let's assemble it. Is another tray?
Yep.
Slightly up.
This one. So in the HP box maintenance kit, it has these things. This is the separation pad. It's similar to that one on the top. The one that makes one more page. Because the way these things work, the separation pad makes sure that you don't have many pages. Make sure that only one. And the other one pulls the paper. You agree? Yes. Let me show you the one that pulls the paper. So this is the first maintenance part. Right? Let's have a look. These are okay, but they're going. You understand what I'm saying? So once you change, what I prefer is you change all these and put the new ones and you keep these as backup.
Oh, okay.
So if tomorrow there's a problem, you take this one. But I don't want to mix old parts with new parts.
Yes.
Okay, so we're stripping the machine, right? So these are the pickup rollers. You'll put them later, né? You know how to put them later. Okay. So what happens, that's for these two trays. The next one we have is this one. You see it? And this one.
Yeah.
Now this is a nice one. This one needs a bit of speed. So when you say do the job, let me just show you guys quickly, right? What happens is this lifts up. So the paper can start to move, right? When it lifts up, there's rollers that pick the paper. That's what I want to show you. Where's the light? Let's go into the machine. Let's shine light. Right? You see the blue ones?
Yes.
Blue ones?
Yes.
Look under here. Blue ones? Those are the pick up rollers. Okay. They pick the paper.
Okay.
So when those are finished, you have to change them. That's item number 2 of
How
the
will you
maintenance.
know they are finished?
We inspect them. Right, let me show you. Let's inspect them. This is how you take it out. Are you watching? Right. So let's not do that one. I'll start at the bottom. You see here? You see this one here? Again? Yeah?
Yes.
Same thing. You see what I'm doing? I'm turning it and then I'm pinching it out. This is there. How are the tires of this car?
Yeah, that's the
They're still fine, but they need to be cleaned.
Yes. Need dusting, yeah.
To put it back, I'm doing this. Here I am here. Right? I go here. I put it in. I turn it till it goes clack. It doesn't come out.
Yeah.
If I don't put it properly and it comes out, when the paper goes there, jam.
Okay.
So I want you to take out 2 here. 2 here. There's 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's take them out and inspect them. Is it difficult? That's fine. You can pinch it from this. Just use your finger to roll it. There's it. Right. Continue taking them out. Now take it. You're gonna see when it's inspect. Let's put them in. We want to see all of them. And to put like just clip.
Okay.
So you take out the other. There's a paper jam, guys. Tray is the first thing you check. Pickup roll is the next thing. Sitting nicely, is it clean? Is it sharp? If it says tray 2, you know that I must go to tray 2 pickup roll. Straight. Are you struggling? The rollers are pushing it up. This one, the moment it gets it, it pushes it past the toner, the ink is dropped, and then it's going to the iron. But let's do the last stage. The last stage is here. That one is still fresh.
This one's fresh, yeah. Fresh.
And it needs to be cleaned with that cloth.
Yeah.
Right? Let me return it. Right? So the way I return it is I go in here. Right. Sometimes you end up doing this and it's not sitting right. It's got to go car because if you do this when it's not in, it will break this thing. So I'm not pushing it too hard. Right? Push it back. That's what I pushed to do. Don't make a simple job difficult.
Billy.
Yeah, I was supposed to pass step is left, right, no? Yeah, sure.
Boys.
I'm trying to simplify the explanation. So what happens? This image is coming from the scan that was taken. It gets written on the drum. Now, what's nice about HP? This is the toner, right? I take it out. I'm not happy about this image. Something not like that. It writes the image here, right? You've got the toner and the developer as one thing in here. So it will only drop the ink, right, using the impression on the drum. This is the impression on the drum. If I were to take this page out of the machine at this stage and I did like this, all the ink would smudge. So once it has that, it has to go into the fuse unit to iron it and then out. And our training is finished. Right? So if you have lines on the page, so your page, because your page comes like this. So if I'm printing a page, this page is going to have lines. I can see it already. But what's nice about HP, every time you change this thing, you're changing the drum. So you'll never buy a drum for this machine. Here's it here. I move it to the left. Step one, I take out what they call the duplexer. This is responsible for double-sided printing. So if ever you come to double-sided, the problem is sitting here. Sometimes what happens, you see these clips, they jump out of position. All you got to do is lift and put it back. If one of these are missing, your paper can't move. Right? This is the sensor. This is the engine of the machine, and it's a part of the maintenance kit. So when you buy maintenance kits, there's this, all these rubbers, that roller. You need to know how to replace this. So I'm going to put it back. So the best way to see, you see this connector? You see the so even if I don't know, I have a general idea to say it's somewhere here, right? Let's see, right, sharp. It must sit fast, right? If it's sitting fast, I can lock it there, and I can lock it there. I mustn't force it here if it's not sitting fast, because I'm going to break this thing.
That blue thing.
Ah.
10.
Okay. Fuser.
I get to some minutes.
And the slow aquí Lulio. Okay. Aquí Lulio. Don't fight. If you want to fight, come to me.
Oh, you're the fighter.
Correct. Hey.
Right?
Okay.
Yes, yes, lock it. Right. Push the same one away, right?
Don't force. Slow.
Yes.
Slow.
It's not straight.
It's not straight.
It's not straight. But don't force it, because if you're going to force it, you're going to break that blue thing, then you've got a big problem. Right?
Okay.
So let's push it back, out, and then go kaja. Try and lock it. Push and when you lock it, you see, yeah, that's it.
Go, Kasha.
Right? Sure. So if there's a jam there, I know the problem is there. So we don't know what problem you had. Now we're going to switch on the machine, we're going to put it on the back, and let's see the problem. If there's a problem, it will give us a sound, or it will give us something to say there's something wrong. If the sound is very clear, I know, the problem is the sound. Can you guys put the duplexer out? Right.
check
Right?
the don't just take
Number
it.
two. Right? I'm doing this so he doesn't open it. Wow. Come, no. Come, stand here. Stand this way.
Oh, now
Right?
this one.
Wait a minute. This finger. This finger. I want this finger to go underneath there. And left there.
Okay.
Put your finger in. No, put your finger in. You see this blue thing?
Yeah.
This. You see this blue thing? Look up here. Where's the light? You see that? You see this blue thing?
Yes.
That's the one you want to flip up. So flip it up with your finger. Push it side like this. Yeah, that's it. So it's like this. Alright? Down. Slide this way. Next one. Fuse the unit.
This one down.
Down. Hold it there. Here you don't play here. The only time you come here is if there's a jam. You're not doing nothing. It's electrical. You're only coming here if there's an error code that will say 13 or whatever the problem or fuse. If the paper is stuck in here, right? You use the roll. You see this roller, okay? If you watch close, you turn it, and the paper starts to come out.
And don't touch the please.
So what you do is you pull the paper as you're turning this. So you're pulling. There must be no paper in here. Go together. Reassemble. How do I put this one? First, there's a hole here, and there's this one. I don't lift it. I put it straight in the hole there, and then you see here. You see here, just like this, and then I can lift this one, and I'm done.
So since it's the rollers.
I'm good.
Yes.
So you don't need a technician to come because once I say to you, take out the fuser, check the pickup rollers, check out the transfer roller, and you do the course. You start with
Oh, the end of
why are you using force, man?
I'm not using force.
You're struggling.
I try to
Right. Let's inspect this guy. These are the tires of the car. Are we winning? Are we sharp, guys?
Yeah, we need.
Right, okay, so once you're done, you're going to put the roller here because you're going to return it when you're done the induction. Right?
Oh.
Right, are we good?
Yeah, we good.
Take the roller out. I don't want to hear one word from this corner when I'm done. I want peace. From the collective. I'm not talking about one person. I'm talking about. Why you shouldn't struggle. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. Try, guy. Try. Let the next guy try. Then you can teach him. Making it difficult.